Welcome to another episode of Paddleboard Places. And today we've hit a milestone. You know what that is? Over 400 subscribers.
Woohoo!
Thank you. It's not a lot, but for us, it's kind of
It's
fun.
a lot. We started at zero.
We started at zero, so we're at 400. So thanks for subscribing. And I think what makes everyone subscribe is that we show you places around the country where you can paddleboard or kayak, and we'll show you where to go, where to park, if it's going to cost anything, what you should expect to see, and give you all the details for a good time.
Answer all those questions you want to know before you go.
Yep.
Today we are in Newport Beach, California, and we came down to Newport Harbor. They call it the Dunes and Back Bay.
So pick a name, any name, and it all works.
We're excited
to be
to show you. We've been here once before, but it was a really windy day, so we're excited to enjoy some calm water and show you the sights.
Yeah, so come along. It's going to be a great day with Paddleboard Places.
We launched at the North Star Beach Park. It's right next to the Newport Aquatic Center off of Polaris Drive. Put either location in your maps and you will find it.
Okay, a great launching spot is to come into this big parking lot by the Newport Aquatic Center. So this area over here is free to park. You can park here, and it's a quick walk down to the water. John's blowing up the boards. Our electric pump broke today. We're so sad. But it looks like it's going to be a pretty ride. Okay, it looks like over at the Newport Aquatic Center, they have rentals for kayaks and paddle boards. And it looks like they have a lot of group paddles and tours. So check them out.
Here at Back Bay, launching's pretty easy. Parking was all up there. You just come down the sandy beach, put in right here, and off you go.
Okay, we're just headed straight out. We're gonna go left and explore the nature preserve. Not sure how deep we can go in, but we will see.
All right, it's early on. How are we doing? First few minutes are always good telling sign of how it's going to go. This is just cool because you've got these cliffs over here with houses on them. It's a winding body of water. And this spot right here is a nature preserve, probably somewhat of a bird sanctuary. So you can't go into here and you can't go back over into there. Protect the area. Don't go in there, but it is really kind of cool, and we've seen a bunch of big birds flying in and out of there. It's fun. So this says there's over 200 species of birds here. So this is a map that shows you where to go. The bottom, Allison's going to be Vanna White. We started at the bottom, and you can go all the way up through there, and they give you a limit on where you can end.
See all those tents and stuff? There's a big group of painters here today. They're all painting the beautiful scenery.
Hey, do you want to paint us in your picture? You got us in it? We're famous.
John's leaving a little trail in the water, you see it? That's kind of cool. There are so many birds, they're just everywhere. I don't know if you can see them very well. They kind of blend in with the landscape. It's just a peaceful ride back here because there's no boats, and it's just beautiful.
It's kind of a cool scene right in here where you got all the houses up on the hill there, and just peaceful day and birds flying, and pretty spot. So if you're a bird lover, you're gonna love this place. And there's birds all along the shoreline. Here's a white crane back in there. There's some ducks in here. There's some other kinds of birds. And they're just enjoying it. This is really kind of a pretty bird sanctuary, nature preserve kind of a ride. All right, up here with that That buoy is right there is the turnaround spot. I want you to go back further into there. There's some white buoys around it, and that's where you get to go to the edge, turn around. We're gonna head back. So far, how we doing, hon?
Great.
We're headed back. The wind's picked up. I think we're just gonna do this part of it today, and we'll do the rest of it another time. I'm just getting, look at me, I'm just getting blown to the left. And yeah, so we're gonna end it, but it's been a really fun trip with a lot of wildlife. Right, this is crazy. We're here next to each other. We had a fish jump like 4 feet from us. And of course we weren't filming. They're jumping all over. Come early in the morning. Maybe you'll get to see some fish jumping. It's just kind of a peaceful, quiet place with the birds flying and the fish jumping. You're gonna love it. And the airplanes. The airplanes kind of ruin the mood, but one of the benefits of starting early is we kind of had most of that ride to ourselves. Now you got a whole bunch of kayakers coming, and they'll have a good time. We like the peaceful ride just by ourselves whenever we can.
We asked over at the marina if we could use their hose to spray down the boards. It's always a good idea, especially in the salt water.
Yeah, you want that salt water to linger on your board.
Rust up everything.
Hey, we really like the Newport Dunes and Back Bay. It was pretty easy to park, a good location. What do you think of the birds, honey?
They were beautiful.
Beautiful. It was fun. We give it a final rating of a 9 out of 10. That was Newport Harbor, Back Bay. What a different kind of a trip that was, huh?
It was definitely your nature trip. It was beautiful.
Bird sanctuary, jumping fish, that little sand, what do you call it? Sand ray, like a stingray, but a sand ray. They're all over too.
One came right up and hit my board. It was
That was his way of saying hello, I guess. But it was really cool. It was very much a nature ride, and it was fun. We had a great time.
Watch out for that wind picking up in the. It's
Wind picking up. 10:30, 11.
10:30 a.m.
The wind's picking up
so
already.
Make sure you start early.
Yeah.
Get that ocean breeze. Feels good,
It
but
does.
makes for a little tough paddle coming back in.
Yep.
Be sure to like and subscribe.
Hey, and until next time, everyone, keep on paddling.